back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite skincare of 2020. I'm also going to share my favorite hair care in this video and fragrance because they all either grow out of your scalp or are placed on the skin. So therefore, to me, it's the same thing. So if you want to see my favorites for skincare this year, please stay tuned. So unlike my makeup favorites for 2020, I feel like my skincare favorites were or will be amazing because my skin was not thriving this year. Having to wear a mask has been one of the most stressful things on my skin. If you guys don't know, I've spoken about it in like one other video. I'm not going to go into it ever again, but I do have a condition that causes me to have acne as an adult. That is just a skin condition that I deal with. So chronically, I will have acne. It doesn't matter if I look at it, touch it, scratch it, bring it baby, flip it, reverse it, anything. If I pop it, don't pop it. If I just look at it, I will get a scar. So not only have I had to deal with lots of breakouts, but the scarring is just, it's out of control. But one thing that I know is that my skin is not who I am. So even though my skin is flawed, well, hell, I'm flawed, but I don't feel badly about it. I'm still confident in myself. It is what it is. I'm imperfect and yeah, whatever. So because I have such problematic skin and because I break out all the time, I am really into skincare. So today I'm going to share everything I used this year that I was loving, that I think I will love absolutely for sure next year as well. So let's hop right on into them. Let's start with fragrance, why don't we? So the first fragrance, which is probably the newest one that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, is none other than Chanel Coco Noir. Now, I was not a huge Chanel fragrance girl, but there's just something about this year I just felt like, let's dive in. I've had two other Chanel fragrances in the past. I have since parted with them, but I went to smell Chanel Coco Noir one day at Sephora and I fell in love. This is a deep, sexy, patchouli floral fragrance. This is class. This is class, this is sophistication, this is elegance. This is that woman, okay? She smells and looks fabulous. This scent is everything. Now, it does have typical Chanel DNA, so it does smell a little old school and classic, but to me, that's the beauty and the essence of Chanel overall. But this one was just so deep and sexy. This is date night for me. This is going out at night, smelling sexy, looking bomb, feeling beautiful and confident and powerful. That is this scent for me. What made me want to get it is a couple of my girls on YouTube were doing a My Black is Beautiful tag featuring their favorite black fragrances, and I realized, homegirl, you have no black bottle fragrances. So I had to pick some up, and this has definitely been a favorite of mine this year. I love it. Okay, next is another fragrance that I acquired this year. I dipped into Maison Francis Kurkdjian, and I actually didn't dip in, I took a dive, okay? This is MFK Gentle Fluidity Gold. Ooh, this one is so good. This is feminine, sweet, juniper berry, cotton candy, floral. This is a really nice everyday floral feminine scent, but it's so beautiful that I could see somebody wearing this on their wedding day. It's unique. It smells like sweet floral cotton candy without smelling juvenile. It's very feminine and very womanly, but it is just beautiful. It's sweet. This is it. Like, I know it doesn't look like I've used a lot, but I love this one. I also have it in a travel size version. Everything that I have tried for the most part from MFK, I have adored. I purchased this as my second fragrance, and since then I've gotten two more. I am just obsessed with the Maison Francis Kurkdjian. I'm trying not to be that obsessed with him next year because I want to try other brands. But if you are looking to get into MFK, I know everyone talks about Baccarat Rouge. I actually didn't wear that one too much this year because that scent is one that I wear when I go out and I want to project and feel like this, fabulous and powerful and amazing and own the room. This is the sweet, feminine, understated, beautiful woman who's in the corner. She's very coy and she's just everything. She's understated elegance, sophistication, and beauty. If you tried Gentle Fluidity Gold, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, and last but not least, this is the scent I'm wearing right now on top of another fragrance because it dwindled down, Montblanc's Rose Elixir. Now, you guys know rose is one of my favorite scents in fragrance, and I don't know how I tried this one. I think someone recommended it and I picked it up off of Fragrance Net. This is actually a tester bottle, which I prefer with Montblanc fragrances because this piece doesn't come out, so you don't have to worry about taking it out to spray it. I just prefer the tester bottles. And I always talk about this fragrance puts me in the mind of my Aunt Cherie. If you are watching, I feel like this is what you would smell like. Fun and fabulous and just like that woman. Like in my mind, this is the fabulous auntie who is childless and who spoils her nieces and nephews. This is she. Now my Aunt Cherie does have a child. Well, he's grown now, but this is just beautiful. It's different. It's a rose scent. It is a synthetic rose, but because it's synthetic, it just, I don't know, it's developed so nicely. It's very sweet. It's a sweet rose with some depth to it. It's beautiful and robust. It owns the room. It's cheeky. Like, some people don't like Montblanc fragrances because they can smell a bit synthetic, but this is just everything to me. I had to shake it to make sure I still had a lot of juice in here, but I love this. It's definitely one of my favorite fragrances of the year. Okay, let's do the one hair product. If you can notice, I recently cut my hair into a bob because my hair has been struggling. It was breaking off in the back and I found a new stylist and we came to the conclusion that my hair is just severely lacking moisture. So she put me on a new regimen and I decided to pick this up because it sounds like I need to add moisture to my hair. So right now my hair is a bit more heavy and weighed down, but this is what I have to do to maintain the health of my hair. This is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Overnight Recovery Treatment. This is good for all hair types. So pretty much this is an overnight hair treatment that adds a lot of moisture and strength to your hair. It has almond and avocado as the name suggests. It doesn't smell like almond and avocado. Well, no, it does smell like almonds a little bit, not avocados. This is really nice. It's a lightweight. It kind of has a gel consistency, so it's viscous, but not too viscous. It's not like an actual gel, but I love this. After I wash my hair, I put this on my hair for the first 2 or 3 nights just to get the moisture going. And right now my hair feels very, very hydrated. Like I said, it is a little more weighed down than usual, but this is just what I have to do. I love this product. My new stylist uses Design Essentials. I used Design Essentials probably over a decade ago and I really did like the products. So I'm back using them. If you are experiencing hair breakage, if your hair is lacking moisture, definitely try this out. It's a lighter weight moisturizer, so that's why I enjoy it. Now let's get, well, I have one more miscellaneous product. Let's just get it over with. Hand sanitizer. Now, this was the year of masks and hand sanitizer. And up until probably September or October, I could not readily find hand sanitizer. But one day I was in my local Kroger and I stumbled upon Shea Moisture hand sanitizer with argan oil. You guys, first of all, it smells like myrrh and apple. So it's basically a fragrance. I love this. Now, it does kind of peel up on your hands sometimes, I think because of the oil that's mixed into the alcohol for this hand sanitizer. But this is my favorite because it doesn't stink. And right now, it's really hard to find your regular name brand hand sanitizers. So the Shea Moisture is my favorite. Some people have found the smaller bottles at Walmart. You can also get it at Vitacost online. I will link it down below. But I found this at my local Kroger. It's my favorite. If I had a choice of hand sanitizer forever, it would be Shea Moisture. Next up, my favorite moisturizer for this season, the fall and winter, my Belief Aqua Bomb. Now this is a product that I have used for years. It is my holy grail moisturizer for the winter and the fall seasons. It smells like Lever soap. It smells so fresh and clean. It has a lightweight gel texture, so it's very, very viscous, but it is incredibly hydrating. This is my favorite moisturizer for oily skin guys and girls. It is perfect because it leaves you really, really hydrated without making you oily, which is a fine line to walk when you have oily skin. Traditionally, I will bulk up on my moisture at night to mattify my skin in the morning time, But in the fall and winter, when it's a lot cooler outside and I'm not getting as oily, something like this is perfection. I repurchase this every year. It is amazing. It's just everything. So if you have oily skin and you're looking for a good moisturizer for the fall and winter, I promise you will not be disappointed. This is great. Let's keep with moisturizers. Next, I want to share my favorite moisturizer this entire year for wearing at night. Oh, it's from our good girl Charlotte. It is our Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This was something I was excited to try but also afraid to try because this is supposed to be really, really hydrating and make your skin glow. Well, it does absolutely that. This is what I was using in the spring and summer at night because you put this on at night, it makes your skin instantly glow. It's so hydrating. It absorbs into the skin so well. It's like a thicker cream in the container. It has a light scent, but not too much. Charlotte is the queen of making the guys and gals glow. If you see this glow today, that's a Charlotte Tilbury makeup product. This moisturizer is my favorite. I didn't have it on today because I knew I wanted to wear a glowy cheek and I didn't want to look too glowy, but this at night for my oily guys or gals, or this during the day for normal to dry skin, perfection. They also have a nighttime version, which I will link down below. I let my mother try this. My friend tried it and loved it. I love it. We all have different skin types. We are all, well, my mom is a different age, but this moisturizer is everything. Now, it is very expensive. I think the 1 ounce version is like $62 to $65, but totally worth it. Okay, next I want to share another hydrator. I recently started using this maybe a few weeks ago and I'm hooked. One of my friends always re-ups on her Brazilian Bum Bum cream during the Sephora sale and I said, you know what? I have a travel size from like a birthday gift from Sephora. I need to use it. You guys, I'm hooked. This is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum cream. This cream is everything. It smells like buttered artificial popcorn, like the jelly beans. It's supposed to smell like tropical something coconut. Coconut is definitely the top note, but the middle note is buttered popcorn, jelly beans, artificial, you know what I'm talking about, the Jelly Belly. It's not going to keep me from using it. This is just so hydrating. I love it. I will definitely be purchasing the larger size to keep as a hand cream in my car. I don't know what it is. As soon as I start filming or step out of the house or get into my car, my hands are instantly dry. This is what I've been using to save my skin, especially because I have to use so much hand sanitizer now. Brazilian Bum Bum cream is everything. Obsessed. Okay, one skincare tool that I tried this year. I had the pleasure of trying this because I worked with the brand Foreo, which is a skincare company based in Sweden. Really, really high tech, super innovative. I'm obsessed. So this is the Foreo UFO 2 and this is a smart masking device. So this is a smart masking device that gives yourself a luxury skincare treatment in under 3 minutes. It basically uses pulsation, which is vibration, heat, cooling temperatures, and LED light therapy to give you the benefit of whatever mask you buy. Now, my favorite is the Foreo Glow Addict and the H2O. I'll pop a picture of the H2O. These are my favorite for giving me lots of hydration, which I've needed this year, and also a glow, which I have also needed this year. So I do this treatment whenever I am feeling so parched. So after I had my week of intense breakouts and I finally got my breakouts under control, I needed something to revive my skin. I did a treatment of the H2 Overdose and a treatment of the Glow Better. These rehabbed my skin, and then I followed it up with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and since then I have been glowing and I've been good. They have masks for anti-pollution, anti-aging, glowing, hydration, everything under the sun. This is a very pricey device, but this would make the perfect gift. I mean, I know Christmas is over, but it's okay. This is just... If you don't have time to dedicate to going to the spa, if you don't have time to do skincare for 30 minutes, if you're a busy mom, a working mother, a guy who travels a lot, if you're on the road a lot, if you're just busy, if you're a busy student, game-changing device. Expensive, but well worth it. I'm obsessed. Okay, on to my lips. You guys know, if you saw my favorite makeup products of 2020, I've pretty much been obsessed with lip products because while I'm in the house all the time, I can wear a lippy. So because I've been loving lippies, I do also like very drying lippies because most of them are matte. This Laneige lip mask is gold, okay? Gold. I actually took this from my mother because I gave it to her in a set for Christmas one year. Then I went to her house and she wasn't using it, so I took it. It is amazing. It's supposed to be used at night to really repair and hydrate your lips, but I use it during the day. Like I said, I'm at home every day, so I use it kind of as a lip balm, but I also wear it at night. This will rehab any dry, cracked lips. Now, if your lips are intensely cracked and dry, I would recommend doing a lip scrub to get off all the dead skin, but then treat it with this and then follow it up with Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm, which is my favorite lip balm. Your lips will be soft, supple, and kissable, I promise. There is so much hype about this Laneige lip mask, but it is because it's that amazing. I will never be without this. It's totally worth the $24. It's amazing. Next, we have a product that I was using to treat my acne. This is Hydroquinone 4%. Now, I was using it to treat the scarring caused by the acne, but you can only get this from a dermatologist, so I do get this from a dermatologist. Hydroquinone is a very, very strong ingredient. It's actually a skin bleacher, but for me, it is the only thing that gets rid of my dark spots and hyperpigmentation. The highest strength you can get from over the counter is 2%. So I get 4% from a dermatologist. If you are looking to fade any type of melasma, sunspots, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, anything, Hydroquinone is your best friend. But if you are not using a sunscreen with this product, you might as well not try it because the sun will reverse all the progress that the hydroquinone is doing. Sunscreen and hydroquinone work hand in hand. You also shouldn't be using this for more than 3 months consecutively because it can thin the epidermis, which is the outer layer of your skin. So be careful, read up on it, do your research, but this product is just everything. Another product I started using this year, I did a review on, I will link it down below, the Ordinary's Peel. This is the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. Because I have acneic skin, one of the things I battle with often is textured skin. Once again, because I have acneic skin, I don't like to have any texture on my face if I can prevent it. This is a flash facial, meaning after 10 minutes, it will feel like you got a facial. I'm talking smooth skin like a baby's butt. Your face, you can like hear your fingers rubbing against your face and it'll sound like glass, like fingers running over glass. It is so powerful. So if you haven't used this before, definitely work your way up to using it maybe twice a week. It is very strong. You shouldn't leave it on for more than 10 minutes. Watch my review, link down below. But this is gold for retexturizing your skin, giving you glowing skin, and just letting you start over with a clean slate. It also helps product absorption because you are ripping off the well, not ripping. You're getting rid of the outer layer of your skin to reveal more new, brightened skin. Perfection. And last but not least, my favorite cleanser, which I can't wait to repurchase, the Josie Maran Pineapple Enzyme Pore Clearing Cleanser. This is a product I actually purchased on a recommendation from one of my friend's mother. This cleanser is everything. It makes your pores feel squeaky clean. It's a gel cleanser, which I love for acneic skin. Once again, I'm not a huge fan of spending a lot of money on a cleanser, but I do like the way this makes my face feel. It's not too expensive, but it is fairly expensive. It's a great cleanser all around. It's not the best for removing makeup. I always advise people to double cleanse using a makeup wipe or an oil or a balm first to rid all the makeup, and then go in with your traditional cleanser if you have worn makeup, like I have today. But this is great at really giving you nice, clean skin, clearing your pores, and just feeling stripped. You definitely will feel stripped after this, but it's worth it. And if you're oily and you're also gonna follow it up with a great hydrator, this is perfection. Oh, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my skincare favorites of 2020. Let me know down below what you were loving this year because I'm always looking for recommendations. I really enjoyed getting into skincare this year, well, more into skincare, and hopefully I can bring to you guys a skincare series next year. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.